Hey friends, if you wish to add a local printer to your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. First of all, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side, select printers and scanners, click on add device, let it load a list. Now I'll tell you why I select this method, but first I'll tell you how. Select the right printer here, let it connect. This is how easy it is. Now if you are trying to go through the tutorials provided by printer companies and other YouTubers, they will give you a very lengthy explanation, but you do not need it. If it was to connect, it would connect using this method, and if it was not to connect, then it will not connect using any other method. Obviously you can go through the network connection route, but that's a different thing. We are talking about a local printer here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.